Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be delving into the wonderful world of green tea and exploring its numerous health benefits. Green tea has been celebrated for centuries for its medicinal properties and is known as a natural elixir for overall well-being. Join us as we uncover the science behind green tea and why it's considered one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. Origins and production. Discover the fascinating history and origins of green tea, which can be traced back thousands of years to ancient China. Learn about the traditional cultivation and processing methods that help retain the tea's beneficial compounds. Rich in antioxidants. Explore the powerful antioxidants found in green tea, such as catechins and polyphenols. These compounds have been extensively studied for their potential health benefits, including reducing inflammation, protecting against cell damage, and boosting the immune system. Weight management and metabolism. Uncover how green tea can aid in weight management and support a healthy metabolism. We'll discuss the research that suggests green tea may help increase fat burning, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and exercise. Heart health. Learn about the potential cardiovascular benefits of green tea. Studies have indicated that regularly consuming green tea may help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing cholesterol levels, improving blood vessel function, and reducing blood pressure. Mental well-being and brain health. Dive into the relationship between green tea and mental well-being. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid known for its calming effects and ability to promote relaxation. We'll explore how green tea may help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance cognitive function. Join us in this video as we explore the science behind green tea and its potential health benefits. Discover tips on how to properly brew and enjoy green tea to maximize its nutritional value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future content on the wonders of natural health and wellness.